Hey guys, this is Dan. I just want to talk to you about the hate projected from lesbians to trans men, and vice versa. This is something I'm not sure how many people have experienced, but it's something that I have seen in the community, so I guess I just want to talk about it. So I guess first, I just want to clarify what a lesbian and a trans man are. So a lesbian is a female identified person in a female body who likes other females. So, two people that identify as female who like each other would be a lesbian couple, like if they're together. And someone that is a transgender male, I'm just using a broad term, so sorry if I upset anyone with their identity. A transgender male is someone that was born anatomically female and then transitions, whatever that may be for that person, hormones, surgeries, etc., to a male-identified person. Um, I would be considered trans man, although I don't identify that way. I identify as a male. What I want to talk about is with a lot of, I feel like it's more so with butch lesbians, so to say, more masculine women that project a lot of hate on people like myself. I feel like a lot of butch lesbians, I don't really know what their issue is. There may be a lot of issues. I think excuse my French, I think it's fucked up. Because a trans man and a lesbian are two very different things. So to try to even project hate from either one is totally off range because two different things. So I don't really understand where the hate comes from. My guess, there's a few things that I could say that it comes from. I think from a lesbian side that I think they may be threatened by us. I feel like lesbians, if they are threatened by a transgender male, may not be comfortable in their identity. They may feel like we are people that are lesbians but don't want to live as a lesbian, which is total bullcrap. They think that we're gonna be men and then steal their women, um, which is total bullcrap because I know myself, I'm a straight identified male. Why would I date someone in a female body who likes female bodies? Because does this look like a female body to you? No. Do I look like a female? I mean, shit. So, with lesbians, it really, really pisses me off when they get mad that I've transitioned in my life because it's something that's not doesn't even deal with sexual orientation. Your identity as a person has nothing to do with your sexual orientation, so it's bullcrap. Lesbians, I think, aren't comfortable with themselves. They're threatened, literally threatened by trans men, which is crap. And then on the other verse angle of it, a lot of lesbians will say, "Oh, you're not a man. You're just someone that takes hormones, and now your endocrinotic system has changed so much from the hormones that you look this way," which is crap. I mean, I just don't really understand where the hate comes from. And also with trans men, I have nothing against lesbians. You know, sexual orientation, like I said, is completely different from your gender and your identity. One deals with who you like, and one deals with in your mind how you feel. So I feel like also a lot of trans men feel threatened by lesbians because those that are not 100% passable, which means that they can go out to society, like myself, I'm identified as male, and I don't go outside and someone says, "Is that a girl?" No, I pass, so to say, as 100% a male, and I think that those that don't feel threatened by lesbians because they feel like they're gonna be pinned as a lesbian, and just overall, I think the hate from both sides is ridiculous. I mean, the acronym LGBTQ, it's all put together for a reason, although they're different things. For those of you that don't know LGBTQ, it's lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, queer community. And although we're not one and the same, we are a minority that needs to stick together, and for one group to project hate onto another is just absurd. So, I mean, I don't know. It really ticks me off that there's hate in so much hate. I mean, people that are lesbians deal with so much hate from, people that are against gay people. They deal with hate from their families, from their friends. But trans people deal with the same things. They deal with hate from people that don't believe them, people that tell them they're fakers and they're doing this attention, and they're liars, people that are their family, that are their friends, the outside world, and then they have people that are inside their own community telling them that this is not what you are, and it's just, like I said before, ridiculous. Alright, so I guess that's my angry rant. Longest video I ever did, so here we go. Later.